my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I am Divas Messi, in case you don't already know, and in today's video I'm so excited to bring you along as my braider creates this hairstyle on me. Okay, so this hairstyle is a chunky jumbo braid hairstyle. Okay, so if you're looking for a protective style, something chic, something low maintenance, this tutorial is perfect for you. So the only thing I want you to note about this hairstyle is you're going to need a lot of attachment. Unlike your normal braids, this is going to take up a lot of extension because it's long and because it's big. Okay, so it's going to take up extension, and it's also going to get scattered very quickly, more than your regular braids. So it's gonna get rough faster than your normal braids, but it's a really cute hairstyle and it's really rockable and it's affordable also, so keep that in mind. So we're gonna jump right into the tutorial. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much for always watching my videos, and let me know which other tutorial you would like to see. I love dropping tutorials like this for you guys, so you kind of see what you want to do and get inspo. Okay, so let me know if you want me to try anything down below in the comment section, and make sure to keep on watching. Do not change it. Make sure to watch till the end, all right, and share your thoughts in the comment. Thank you so much, my lovelies.
If you get sour, come on, go sit down. I go just para. I'm a mighty guy. I go just stay. Follow my lead. I'm feeling vibes all night. I'm fucking dynamite. After your candle light, you know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill. You nothing kill. You nothing kill my vibe. You see my bitch, say she had bad. Anytime I knock with that. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now in my ritual.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my body says my mind, and my heart, my body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says
Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together.
Listen, listen. My body is your body, baby. Nobody's invited but your baby. You know it's so now. Tell me what you want. Baby, put your phone down. You should turn it off. 'Cause tonight is going down. Tell your boys it's going down. We in the zone now. Don't stop. Move. Keep your hands on me. Touch me right there. Rock my body. I can't keep my hands on you. Your body is my party. I'm doing this little dance for you. You got me so excited. Now it's just me and you. Your body's my party. Let's get it started. Boy, you should know that your love is always on my mind. I'm not gonna fight it. I want it all the time. Boy, you should know that your love is always on my mind. I can't deny it. I'm on you. I'm on you. Can't lie. I won't lie. It's amazing. My faces, the places you're taking me. Baby, take your time now. There's no need to keep going around if that's what you want. 'Cause tonight is going down. Yeah, you know it's going down. We in the zone now. Don't stop. Keep your hands on me. Touch me right there. Rock my body. I can't keep my hands on you. Your body is my party. I'm doing this little dance for you. You got me so excited. Now it's just me and you. Your body's my party. Let's get it started. Boy, you should know that your love is always on my mind. I'm not gonna fight it. I want it all the time. Boy, you should know that your love is always on my mind. I can't deny it. I'm on you. I'm on you. The things I wanna do to you. My body's calling you. I'm having so much fun with you. Now it's just me and you. Your body's my party. Let's get it started.
I'm blue tonight. I'm chilling on the west side. Oh, call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Besides you, on the low, no location. I don't want them seeing me getting faded. You should come through tonight.